Hey guys, and welcome back. So this is a bench that I've had in my backyard for many years, but it has deteriorated and gotten pretty bad. So I was going to knock it down and just give up on it. But after careful thought, I decided, you know what? No, I want to restore it. I'm going to show you the pattern of the tile that I chose at Home Depot. It was approximately I believe it was $1.79 for each one. So this little project is going to cost us all in about $500.
This is gonna be to make it look pretty.
What do you mean?
Because it's gonna come like this, and this is not even.
Uh-huh. So you want to use like a border?
I don't think so. I don't know.
Okay.
Eso es lo que hará en un mundo.
And then put a towel underneath. Look at how much thin I have to fill in.
That's going to look really nice. Why are you hanging it off like that?
Because I got the bump here, I have to do that. Then I'll fill it in.
You're going to fill it in with wine.
Look at me.
So I decided to help because my husband's been doing everything and it's not fair. So I'm putting the grout. Actually went up my nose. I don't know where I'm looking over here. Went up my nose and I was like everywhere. Luckily I have one of these really good masks. So that helped. But it looks like a war zone. Like a war zone. Like a war zone. I don't know if I helped them. I think I made it worse. Let me show you. How do you look at this mess. Oh my God. Anyway, okay. So, man, I really tried. So this area here was really hard. And it's not the best. And it needed so much grout. I had to make that grout like glue. So it would fill up the edges or the corner. Still a lot left to do. So you see like here how you see that it's kind of raised. So yeah, it's not the best. But we're gonna fix it. We are going to fix it. Okay, so I would say this is week 5. We've worked every weekend for 5 weeks. And this is what it's looking like so far. There's still a lot left to do, but what a difference. I'm so happy that I decided not to give up on this. So now what we need to decide is what we're gonna do here on the sides here. The top, we have to definitely figure that out. The bottom, the edges, and what we're gonna do, you know, down here. So I'm coming up with some ideas in my brain. And then here on the sides as well. So right now what's left to do is just the finishing touches, but so far not too bad. Okay, so we have a birthday party today and the bench is not finished, but I did the best that I could under the circumstances before people get here. So I put a lot of pillows and some decorations, but after the party we're gonna start fixing it. But I think it looks pretty nice considering that the party's today. This is week 6. So yeah, only working the weekends. But all right, and my next video will be the finishing touches.